Clocking in and out of Milagro Smart POS is automated. All you need to do is just simply enter your 4-digit code. You don't even need to hit the check mark. If this is the beginning of your shift, it will force you to clock in. Once you've clocked in, it will automatically take you to the menu. If you are already clocked in and you need to clock out, just tap on the menu option here and you could just simply clock out. So now if we try to clock back in, it will automatically force us to clock in again. In this case, we're going to clock in and we're going to just simply log out, and we're going to enter our code to log back in, and notice that this time it did not force us to clock in because we're already clocked in. If you have employees who are wearing multiple hats, when they clock in, you can also set them up to clock in as a specific role. In this case, we've assigned this person to be either a driver or a hostess. Based on a job category that they clock in, they will be getting paid different hourly rates, and that is configured on the Milagro cloud. If you are using the employee scheduling tool, this will be fully automated. So you will schedule that employee for that specific job category, and when they clock in, they will not be prompted to select their job category because that is defined when the manager creates the schedule. In this case, we have not used the employee scheduling tool, so it prompted the employee to clock in for that specific job role. This is also helpful if you have delivery drivers who also serve as cashiers. So when they're in the store, they clock in as the cashier. When they're doing a delivery and they get paid a different hourly rate, they can clock out of the cashier mode, clock back in as a driver, and make the delivery.